Hey, it's Doug with another 1-minute video. Today we're talking about travel checklists. Whether you're going on vacation or back north for the summer, there's a lot of things to do to get ready, and no doubt you've forgotten a few things in the past. Well, we're going to get you headed off in the right direction with a master travel checklist that you can modify directly for your needs. I've searched the internet and asked several trilogy Snowbirds for their lists so I could put together one master list for you to steal from. Personally, I've forgotten to turn on my answering machine, forgotten my tollway passes, and left my butter out all summer, but not anymore. I've sorted the list for you in two ways. Chronologically, what needs to be done the month before, week before, day before, and even the hour before leaving. It's also sorted by category. Plumbing, air conditioning, appliances, security, you get the idea. Just choose the one that works best for you. You can also use this master list to create a 1-week vacation list or a gone for 9 months list, whatever you need. The master list discusses regular vehicle storage, but if you have a special collector car, I've included a separate detailed summer vehicle storage list, courtesy of the Trilogy Roadrunners Car Club. All of these documents are available right now. Look below in the first comment field of this video. There's a link to my House Talk Documents page, where you can open and download any of the House Talk documents in this series of videos. Feel free to comment below if you have checklist items that you'd like to share with my viewers. I hope you like this video, and don't forget to hit the like button.